Welcome back, Tigers! Salesforce has so many out-of-the-box features people don't know about, and all users can benefit from them. We are going to review 3 free features on accounts that you can quickly enable and look like a superhero. Let's set the timer and see how quickly we can implement these features. All right, here we are in Salesforce, and we're going to go into Setup. We're going to enable maps and location settings. What this is going to do is it will allow your users to have a field where they can start typing an address in, and then it will allow them to select the address from a list and then auto-complete all of the address fields. It saves a ton of time when entering addresses into Salesforce. Our next feature is going to be under account settings. And you may have this already enabled, but you can click View Hierarchy link so that we can see the parent-child relationships from our account pages. Our next feature that we're going to enable, we recommend on every single object because it helps users out tremendously. It is field history tracking. You're going to go to the object that you want to enable this for, and you'll click Set History Tracking. You'll click Enable Account History, and then you will toggle on the fields that you want Salesforce to track the changes for. Salesforce will track the old and the new values for all fields except for multi-select or long text fields. It will just track the fact that those fields were changed. Then you will need to add the account history related list or whatever other object related list to your page layout so that users can see that. So you'll see account history up here, and then you'll just drag it down to the page so they can see it. We'll click Save there. And then now let's go see these features in action. I'm going to go to my account page. I'll go to an account record. Now you may need to toggle your Comfy Compact settings back and forth so that your hierarchy icon will show and so that your autocomplete will show. Just recommend doing that before you start wondering why the feature isn't showing. All right, so we can see our hierarchy icon up here, and it shows us the parent-child relationships between our records, which is beautiful. Then if we go back to our account record, we're gonna look at the details section. We're gonna go down to the address here, and we can see now we have a search address field. So we can now start typing in an address and we can select it from the drop-down, and then Salesforce will auto-populate all of our address fields, making it super easy to enter addresses. Then the next thing is on our related tab, we can see account history, and this will track the changes in the fields that we toggled on. So let's go ahead and check out how that works. We'll add an ink over here, and then I think we're tracking employees as well. So I'll click Save there. I'll go back to my related tab, and I can now see that Salesforce tracked the fact that the values were changed, when it was done, and then which user did it. This is very helpful if you have an issue where you ran an update incorrectly. You can always get the values back, and it also helps users if they make a mistake when updating a phone number or an email address. They'll be able to see what the original value was. All right, that's it. Those are the 3 features we wanted to show you how to enable and look like a hero. That's it. That's a wrap. Be sure to subscribe to Blue Tiger Academy so you don't miss out on the next video we are working on that will show you how to create a button that will allow you to change account owners en masse from a list view. This functionality is available out of the box on lead and case objects, but not on accounts. Super hard to believe. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see a video on a different Salesforce topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.